Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on managing customers in Xreference. Today, we'll walk you through the process of customizing customer profiles to suit your business needs within the Xreference platform. Our tutorial covers what you need to know about customers in Xreference, from setting up default pricing and payment terms, to assigning an account manager and enabling customers to pay through another account. To begin, let's explore the steps to create a new customer profile. Just like any other entity in Xreference, we start by creating a contact and then assigning the customer role to it. Once created, we can fine-tune the customer profile to reflect specific business preferences and requirements. Navigate to the Contacts section in the menu and select Customers. Here, you'll find a list of existing customers. Click on the Edit button to customize the settings for a selected customer. The Customer Edit screen consists of 7 tabs. Start by clicking on the Preferences tab on the far right to adjust settings. Under the Default Pricing tab, you can specify the price that this customer will pay for items on sales or job invoices. Set discounts based on loyalty, volume sales, or special arrangements. The Terms setting determines the credit period offered to the customer. This setting automatically calculates the due date for invoices based on the specified terms. In Xreference, a customer can have their sales or jobs charged to another account, facilitating complex billing arrangements. Let's consider an example to illustrate this concept. Imagine you're a repair contractor with an agreement with a company that operates 5 stores. To manage billing efficiently, you create 6 customers in Xreference, 1 for the parent company and 1 for each store, each with distinct site addresses and contact personnel. Now, when you perform a sale or job for one of the stores, the invoice is automatically charged to the parent company. To set this up, simply change the charge account from Own Account to Other Account and select the parent company's account name. From this point on, all charges will be added to the parent company's debtor account whenever the stores request work to be done on their site. It's crucial to note that in this scenario, when a sale or job has one of the stores as the job customer, the settings from the parent company will apply for default pricing, terms of payment, and billing address. This feature streamlines billing processes and ensures accurate invoicing for complex business relationships. Assigning an account manager fosters continuity and enhances customer relationships. This setting ensures that customers have a designated point of contact for personalized support. The customer source setting helps track customer acquisition and facilitates commission arrangements. Assigning a source, such as referral, automatically applies commissions for every sale made by the customer. Customers can access a branded portal to view their purchase history. Enable the Portal Access setting to grant access to the customer portal, providing a convenient self-service option. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials on portals and loyalty programs. For now, let's proceed by saving the changes before moving to other tabs. Navigate to the Pay Methods tab to specify the preferred payment methods for the customer. Set the default payment method to streamline invoicing processes. Ensure accurate contact details by updating addresses in the contact profile. Edit the Ship To and Bill To addresses to customize how they appear on job sheets and invoices, respectively. That concludes our tutorial on creating and managing customers in Xreference. We've covered essential steps and settings that impact sales and jobs. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in Xreference.